'Cause you, I guess.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, me and my friend, I'm Nurin Fadlin Adina binti Awan Takhib.
I'm Ahmad Muhajir bin Abdul Aziz.
I'm Zalika binti Kamaluddin.
We want to present our project, which is humidity and sensor of mushroom. Okay, we start first with me. The function of void ADC analyze is to set on the analog digital. Then we assign the add-con with clearing the channel selection bits and setting the required bits with delay 2 seconds. And go underscore and done is to analyze the AD conversion. The next one is to wait the AD conversion to complete and return the result. Next, LCD set bit is for start up the LCD function, and then the LCD underscore CMD is to display the hex value of LCD. LCD set bit A is to recognize the incoming hex value with delay with that delay, and LCD clear is to clear the LCD that display before.
Okay, now here we will explain about this. This one is LCD set cursor. This one is to set the margin of LCD. So we already have a calculation here to set. This one is to set the row. This one to set the column. And this one is a LCD start. This one we declare from the start of the program to display LCD. And this one is a LCD print chart to display the input of number. This one is LCD print string to display input of words. And this here we declare interrupt. And this one if we push this one we declare as a, if we push the button, interrupt will be on, and the LCD will display interrupt. And when we push back the button, the interrupt will be clear. And we set as a delay 500 ms, and LCD will be clear.
Okay, now I will explain about main. Here, all the declaration that we use, and class B we set as input option register is enable pulls up. Here to enable global interrupt. This command to enable the principal interrupt. And this command to enable RB0 as external interrupt pin. Here, we declare port D as output, and in while this command will reading ADC value. Void equal to ADC will convert into the voltage. Temp equal to volt is getting the temperature value. Temp1 equal to temp is to calculate the temperature value. Here is to get the decimal point. This command will clear the LCD the display before this. And next, it will print welcome. This command to set the margin. And after that, it will print project G5 and delay for 1 second. And it will clear the LCD and display start. After at line 2, it will display sensor. Okay, here it will clear the LCD and it will display sensor time. Here it will collect the sensor value and here read ADC value. This command to convert in voltage and this command to getting temperature value, and here is to calculate in decimal. This is how we get the decimal point. And it will clear the LCD. After that, in line 1, it will display sensor humidity. And it will get the value from the sensor 2 and print in display. After 1 second, the end of our display.
So this is a schematic for the humidity and temperature sensor of mushroom. So when we start the project, they will display the welcome project G5. Then it will be display start sensor. Then after that, it will detect the sensor 1, which is the sensor of temperature. And they will detect the sensor 2, which is a sensor of humidity. So when we push the button, the LCD will display interrupt and the circuit will be stopped, and we push up the button again, then it will start back to the normal, which is it will detect sensor 1 and sensor 2. That's it. Thank you.
Me, I can hardly speak. I